it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and this is Dia&Co number probably 13, May 12, 13, or 14, somewhere in between there. I've already tried on all of these clothes, so I already have an idea of what I like, what I don't like. If you're not familiar with Dia&Co, it's a monthly subscription service. You pay a $20 a month styling fee, I believe, and a stylist curates a box of things that that person thinks that you would love or that would look great on you. You can also request some things if they listen. And then you get the box, you try it on, what you want to keep, you pay for, what you don't want, you send back free of charge in this like little pre-done packing thing. So yes, you're out the 20 bucks every month, but they do discounts. Like any item you keep, you get that $20 discounted from. If you keep everything, you get a percentage off. So they do deals if you decide to keep some things. All right, so now that housekeeping is out of the way, I want to talk about what I got in the box, and I want to show you what came in the box. And then at the end, we'll talk about what we liked and what we didn't like. So my stylist this month is Alexandria. I think I had Sean the last couple of months and I wasn't very happy. So this note from my stylist starts off with, hey, sorry your last Dia box wasn't all that you'd hoped for. Let me make it up to you. And then they kind of list, hey, I sent you this because of this and this would look great on you and yada, yada, yada. So let's pull out our receipt or our like item list with prices. So the first thing I want to talk about is this Mary Skye maxi dress. It's in a size 2X, quarter length sleeves. It's super fitted on the bust and it's actually like a straight line down. And when I pulled it out of the box, I thought, didn't I just get a dress last month with like a similar type pattern that I hated? I did, but then when I put it on, I kind of liked it. I really liked the fit. I thought it was very flattering. The only thing that was weird to me was this tie detail. Do I tie it tight in the front, in the back, on the side? It was very confusing to me. So, I don't know. Let me know what y'all think about the tie. The fit is a little bit snug for me. Y'all know that I prefer things loose. And y'all comment all the time like, it's not too tight. But for me, it's just a little uncomfortable if it's snug. So I prefer things a little bit looser. This one though was really pretty and the colors are like great fall colors. Like it's such a pretty fall maxi dress. You could wear it, like here it doesn't really get that cold, so you could wear it with wedges or you could even pair it with some little heeled booties. I think would be pretty. For the most part, I liked it. The only thing, like I said, was it was a little bit snug. This is the brand Mary Skye, if I didn't say. It's the Palm Beach 3/4 sleeve maxi dress in a size 2X and it's $69. Next thing I want to talk about are a pair of jeans. This is from the brand Warp and Weft. Warp and Weft in a size 20W. JFK New York Skinny is the style, I guess. These are a beautiful like burgundy wine color. They're skinny at the bottom and they're like the perfect skinny at the bottom. However, I couldn't get these to button. Like no way were these going to happen for me. They were way too small. I don't know if maybe they were just too low, like they're not high-waisted, and maybe that was the reason that I had an issue. But they're really soft and they're not like stiff jeans. They're very like flexible but not elastic. Does that make sense? Like they're just very like, they just seem like very comfortable jeans. And like I said, the color is beautiful. They're just good quality jeans, but there was no way that these were going anywhere. I couldn't even button them. So these are the Warp and Weft Orchard Skinny Jean. They call this purple on this like item list. Size 20, $89. On here it's called, the color is Vineyard Wine. Now let's move on to tops. This one, I swear I pulled it out and thought, I've seen that at TJ Maxx or Ross. This is like a mesh floral but black, like sultry. That's what it reminds me of. It's, I don't know. I just really like this top. It's like a little flutter sleeve and then it's just basic black all the way down. It's a little bit fitted, which I'm going to say again, I would prefer it a little bit flowier than fitted. But if you paired this with the right bottoms, like a pair of black skinny jeans and like black boots, I think would be really pretty. This is the brand Mary Skye. It's in a size 2X and this is called the Corrine Mesh Embroidered Ruffle Tee Black and it's $55. Okay, so let's go back to when I said I've seen this at TJ Maxx or Ross. $55. Granted, I could get the $20 off, so it would be $35. I still feel like I could get this at TJ Maxx for like $14.99. It may not be the best quality, but this is also a piece that you would only wear every once in a while because it's so, like, people would remember this, so you can't wear it every weekend. So if you're only going to wear it once every few months, then I feel like you should just pay the $14.99 for it and not the $35. I like it. And the last top in the box, we do have a necklace, which I'm excited about. This is the brand Molly and Isadora in a size 2XL. It's this gray strappy neck, just like jersey tee. The sleeves are a slight bit longer, and I like that. They've got like a little cuff detail on it. It's a great fit. It's a great length. It's a great size. I just don't know if I'm into the strappy neck anymore. I like it. But I feel like the same with that black like mesh top. You can only wear this every so often because people are going to remember, hey, didn't I just see you the other day in that top? So while I like it, let's see how much it is because that could determine whether I really like it or whether I just like it. So this is called the Cara Lattice Tee Charcoal Gray 2X, $45. Okay. $45. I feel like I could get this somewhere cheaper too. I like it, and I love the fact that you get things that you may not gravitate toward. Like this, I would have never tried on in store, but getting it, I love. So there's that. We'll talk about it at the end, but now let's get to the necklace. I've already pulled this out too, and I am so into this, y'all. This like, what do you call this? It's like a double, I don't even know. They've just got two little like circle details. One has rhinestones around it. Let's see if I can get close enough. Yeah, there we go. So one has rhinestones around the circle, and then the smaller one has a couple rhinestones like in the center. I love this. I think this is so in right now, and I love that it's long because you could wear it with like a super low cut top and just like accentuate the cleavage a little bit. I think would be really pretty. I love how it just like sits. It just hangs there. I just think it's really pretty. All right, so this necklace is called the Cara multi-strand necklace in silver, and it's $28. All right, so let's recap. Dia&Co, hit or miss. We know this for me. I really like this necklace, 28 bucks. So minus my $20, I could get this for $8. I think it's totally worth it. And I think it's a good staple piece, like for my jewelry collection, just something easy that you could throw on. I really like. I also really like this one, and I didn't think that I would. So do I spend the money on it, or do I save my money and get a like cheaper, less high quality one somewhere else? All right, so that is a wrap on this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will post a direct link to sign up for Dia&Co in the description box. Yeah, in the description box down below. Click on it, check it out. Like I said, it's a $20 a month styling fee, but that is credited toward whatever you choose to keep. However, if you keep nothing, you're out your 20 bucks. So it's kind of up to you on what you want to do. But I think these boxes, not just Dia&Co, but all the other ones that I tried too, I think are great because you get a chance to try pieces and brands that you may not try in store. So I do like the idea if you're willing to possibly be out that 20 bucks every month. All right, y'all, that's a wrap on this video. I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.